Years ago when I was single, I've always wondered if I'll ever find that one. I wondered if I'll ever find the girl of my dreams. Well, I did find the girl of my dreams, and she's everything I've ever wanted. Not only is she my wife, but she's my best friend, my travel buddy. And so we decided to do a weekend getaway to one of the biggest cities in California, known as the Golden City. This is our trip to San Francisco.
I've been looking under rocks and breaking locks, just trying to find you. I've been like a maniac, insomniac, 5 steps behind you. Counting all the girls, looking at the exit check, please, 'cause I finally found the girl of my dreams. Much more than a Grammy award, that's how much you mean to me. You could be my it girl, baby, you the shit girl. Loving you could be a crown. Crazy how we fit, girl. This is it, girl, give me 25 to life. I just wanna rock all night long, put you in the middle of my spotlight. You could be my it girl, you my biggest hit, girl. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud like in the middle of my spotlight. Let me play it loud like in the middle of my spotlight. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud like. Oh, you can't help but turn them heads, knocking them dead, dropping like flies around you. If I get your body close, I'm letting go, hoping you're about to. Tell them all the guys, they can lose your number, you're done. They don't get another shot 'cause you love drunk, like a TV show playing reruns. Every chance I get, I'ma turn you right, girl. Baby, you the shit, girl. Loving you could be a crown. Crazy how we fit, girl. This is it, girl. Give me 25 to life. I just wanna rock all night long, put you in the middle of my spotlight. You could be my it girl, you my biggest hit, girl. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud like in the middle of my spotlight. Let me play it loud like in the middle of my spotlight. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud like no. This is it, girl.